Lose your knack for losing things. AirTag by Apple. This is my AirTag, but it's a special AirTag. It's not just any AirTag. Let's look at the AirTags. Oh, okay, I'll click buy. Yeah, 1-pack, $39. 4-pack, $129. These are Canadian prices, of course. You will pay less in the United States. But see, I'm more interested in some of the accessories like this. I might need to have a keychain to put my AirTag into. That would be nice. Oh, looking for AirTag Hermès? Sure, why not? What? I'm just kidding. These are expensive. Why don't we just do a little backstory on some Hermès? Men, sure. I would like a ready-to-wear look. Wow, I could be any. Maybe I'll go for this guy right here. This is a $560 t-shirt right here. Would you know that if you saw it? I'm more interested in the shorts myself. All right, so Hermès. Apple has collaborated with Hermès. And that's what we have here in front of me right now in this box. I decided to go for the, which one did I go for? I think this is the key ring, not the luggage tag. I believe this is AirTag Hermès key ring. $449. Again, we're looking at Canadian prices. I don't know what this is in USD. $349, big time savings. Currently unavailable, sold out? Oh, wow, all right. They're all unavailable, so I have something exclusive right here. This just became quite a bit more exciting. What does that tell you? There's a demand for it, all right? It's not up to me to judge what you're into. I'm into weird things. Ooh. It's been well documented here on the channel. If you happen to be into French craftsmanship, so wow, we're very lucky here today. I believe the color that I have selected is fauve. It's like a brown. Bleu, indigo, and orange. No, I think I got the fauve. I know how you pronounce that?
I don't know.
It's like mauve, but with an F. If you look closely at the image, you're going to have the Hermès branding right on the AirTag itself. It's a special engraving, exclusive engraving. You want people to know, you want people to see, or you just want to experience yourself something with a little bit of extra on top of, because they do also sell a keychain, by the way. I mean, we should probably check that out too, to be fair. Yeah, 45 bucks. And it almost looks like the same color fauve. But this is Unbox Therapy. You are watching Unbox Therapy. So when we see Hermès, we just click buy. That's what we do from this point forward. It's a new rule because who else is gonna show you this thing? I don't know. Who else is pulling that trigger? Just before we get crazy here, just let me show you a little bag, all right? Do you see what I'm talking? This is $6,500, $6,200. Fortunio clutch is $6,600. If you have this, you need this. This is nothing. This sectional is $160,000.
What?
That sectional is a luxury car, like a nice luxury car, and it comes in fauve. Listen to me, please, people. Listen to me, all right? There's a lot of money out there, all right? Some people have it. I don't know. Somebody bought this couch, all right? For them, this just completes the full circle package. And this one is the top dog of all AirTags. It's an Apple product, so it's going to be fun to unbox. Can't you tell how much fun I'm having? Wow, I'll tell you what. I feel special right now. I see the orange box. Will, you know what they pay for this stuff? This is the gateway. Apple gets you in. Wow. I don't know, I mean, like, look, I mean, doesn't that look expensive or something? With the orange and the border and It seems very French. Okay, here we go. What a collab. What a collab. This is how Apple maintains its position as a luxury electronics brand. These collaborations. Putting these brands together immediately adds a luxury to this logo right here. Because this one, I mean, it's no doubt, it's well established. I mean, even the way you gotta pronounce it, it's well established. Is the box leather or faux leather? I don't even know. It has a texture to it. Look at the packaging. My goodness, great. This is where I start whispering. Oh my, it's so unnecessary. And that's what makes it incredible. It's like this microfiber, super soft. Wow. What do I even do here? I keep unraveling. There it is. All right. Okay. So that's the AirTag and the Hermès engraving on there. Hermès Apple AirTag. Apple AirTag all caps. Very luxury. A special piece of paperwork which has Hermès on it as well. Designed by Apple in California and Hermès in Paris. And the Hermès portion, they made it look like there was pen involved. Certainly wasn't. Now, I don't know if there's any type of special interaction with your phone when you pair an Hermès AirTag compared to a normal one. That's something we're gonna check out right now. What do I do with this case after the fact? Man, the job of just coming up with the packaging. That little pull tab right there. Exclusive pull tab. Unbelievable. This is, oh wow, this is also engraved on there, Hermès Paris. So that's a separate piece. And then we have this piece, which this is definitely leather. Hermès Paris made in France. And the AirTag is gonna fit. I mean, it smells good. I mean, I'll tell you that much. I will tell you that much. Damn, they did a leather on there. They tanned a leather on there. Wow. I wonder about the scale of leather smells, because I've smelt leather. But they're not all created equal. I mean, it almost smells edible. Like, it almost smelled like some beef jerky right here. Okay, and the last piece is the strap itself. Single little hole punch. Some kind of manufacturing information on the back here. Some sort of code so you know it's legit. So, here is the Hermès AirTag. Do I just... That's it. That was just for that. This is the same company that's saving the environment every 5 minutes. Man, luxury is weird. Luxury is strange. You sense the extra treatment and you can't help but feel special engaging with it because you're like, this is so over the top. Like, what do I do with this now? What do I actually do with this? I presume the AirTag is meant to be in use pretty much all the time. So now I have, it's nice, but it's amazing to see this much attention applied to something that you will experience for such a limited amount of time. The experience is different now. The importance of the experience and the relationship you're gonna have with the product. I remember I've been doing this thing long enough. Apple and companies like Hermès, they figured this stuff out. It works because it feels special when you do it. Because it feels unnecessary when you do it. Because it feels extra when you do it. It's the point of it. It's the same reason you think the whole thing is bizarre looking from a distance. Same reason. All right, let's do the peel. Let's do the peel. Oh, interesting. So you do a partial peel off the tag itself, and then the last piece is what? Comes out because it triggers the battery and it comes to life. See, I haven't even looked at a regular AirTag yet. I went straight for the Hermès. So anyway, it fits in like that. And then this piece is gonna go through here like so. The key ring goes on like a regular key ring, I guess, like this. This is actually, wow, okay. And then this comes over top of, that's how it works. Whoa. Except maybe I'm backwards right now. I am. There. You gotta show the front chrome, the chrome dot, I probably had this backwards now too, because it says Hermès on one side. I gotta flip it? Holy cow. All right, I think we're on the full flex now. Hermès up top, little buckle over here, dot comes out there, AirTag broadcasting from the front. That is how you do your Hermès AirTag. That's the title of this video, how you do your Hermès AirTag, because you might not, look, man, when I open that up, I'm like, oh, there's only one way to do this. There's not only one way to do this, believe it or not. Comes to luxury, all right? That's how they sniff you out. Almost got sniffed out.
Can I smell it?
How dare you smell my Hermès? You take a deep breath.
I'm in Beef Town.
Yeah, it's flavor. I'm telling you, it smelled like a food item. Oh, there we go. Needed a little bit of an update. It says Hermès on it. I knew they were gonna do that. You see, it's the attention on these type of things. It's the attention to detail. It's rotating. It's like an NFT right now. I get to experience this very brief moment of recognition that I'm part of a relatively exclusive club that's willing to pay, you know, $500, $400 for a keychain. I mean, especially when the technology inside of the tag is 29 bucks or whatever it is. I'm not saying you buy it. I never said that. I'm just telling you what the appeal is to the customer that does want to buy it. It's luxury, it's well established, many years. There's a basket on their website that's $20,000. I'm talking about a picnic basket.
Buy it.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's go ahead and click the connect. I can name it handbag. Lewis's handbag. Oh, baby. It's my handbag. Look at that. Play sound. There you go. See, I can find it. High pitch. Somebody gonna remix that one. Somebody gonna remix that one, the AirTag beep. I'm pretty sure that's a normal AirTag beep. I don't think that you get anything special there. I don't think it's an Hermès beep. Although that could be some next level luxury right there. All of a sudden it's like, dun 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 dun, dun dun dun. Everyone's like, that's mine. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, check it. It's the Hermès bag. That's mine. All right, so it works like a regular AirTag minus the way you connect it. I have the regular AirTags on their way as well. Believe it or not, this one showed up first. See, even there is special treatment. So whatever I stick this to, I can go and find. There you have it. I'm not sure if you needed it. You probably didn't, but we're here together. We went on that wild ride, and even though this reality is not going to be one for many, it is one for some. And we're all just a little bit closer because of this video and experience right here. So now we know what it might be like to be an Hermès customer. I guess I do know what it's like at this point.
You are.
On to the picnic basket.